Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. In this video, we will be learning how to deactivate TikTok account. To deactivate TikTok account, first you have to tap open your application or visit the official website tiktok.com. Then make sure that you are logged in. After this, tap on the profile icon located on the bottom right. Now tap on the three lines located on the top right. Now tap on settings and privacy. Here, tap on account. Now, tap on Deactivate or Delete account. No one will be able to see your account, including all content that is stored in it. When you deactivate your account, you can reactivate your account and recover all the content anytime. Remember, deactivating your account is a temporary thing. If you want to leave TikTok permanently, you have to choose Delete account permanently. Here, I will be deactivating my account, so tap on Deactivate account. Read all the description clearly. You can reactivate your account and recover all the content anytime by using the same login details. After this, tap on Deactivate. To deactivate your account, you will be sent a code in your email for verification. You have to check your email for that. Tap on the mail from your TikTok. Then your verification code will look something like this. Copy it and you can paste it right here. And then tap on Deactivate account. Tap on Deactivate to confirm. And here you go. Your account has been deactivated. That's it for today's video. Hope you guys find this tutorial helpful. If yes, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Press the bell icon so you never miss out to our videos. Goodbye till then.